Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys is another travel tips at ililibot namin kayo sa malaparaisong lugar sa Tagaytay City. Walang iba kundi ang Picnic Grove. So tara guys, samahan nyo kami. Welcome back guys! So if you are planning to go to Picnic Grove in Tagaytay City, ang updated entrance fee po is 75 pesos at may babayaran lang kayong extra fee which is the parking fee. Depende po sa sasakyan ninyo. Kung ang dala nyo ay motorcycle, you will pay 20 pesos and for cars is 50 pesos. Kapag ang dala nyo naman ay jeepney or van, 75 pesos at ang bus ay 150 pesos. But don't you worry guys, napakalawak po ng kanilang parking area so there's nothing to worry about the space. O ayan guys, as you can see, napakalawak talaga ng kanilang parking area. Yan, from here to there. Yan, pwede kayong mag-park dyan. Tara guys, pasukin natin ang loob ng Picnic Grove. So sa entrance pa lang guys ay marami na kayong makikitang iba't ibang klaseng produkto na binibenta nila dyan. At karamihan nga sa mga products na yan guys ay local products na talaga namang pwedeng ipasalubong para sa mga mahal nyo sa buhay pag uwi ninyo. Look at that guys, sobrang dami talaga. So after passing that area guys, ay bubungad na sa inyo ang beauty ng nature. I think yan ata talaga ang ino-offer ng Picnic Grove. Ang ganda ng kalikasan. And I believe guys, if you are looking for a peaceful place and if you want to breathe fresh air and kung gusto nyo makalimot for the meantime sa lahat ng mga problems and challenges ninyo sa buhay, and of course to see the beauty of nature, I think Picnic Grove is the best place for you. Since this place is all about nature and for you to enjoy the place na rin, I suggest guys na magsuot kayo ng comfortable footwear. Kasi guys, napakatatarik ng mga papasyalan nyo dito. And for you to understand well, ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Now, let's go to Skywalk. So this place guys is an overlooking area kung saan mas maa-appreciate nyo the beauty of the place guys. At I think mas magkakaroon kayo ng feeling of excitement to explore the place more. And just in case guys na magutom or mauhaw kayo, marami kayong mabibili mga pagkain at maiinom dyan. And actually guys, sobrang mura ng mga pagkain pampasalubong dyan. Meron ngang buy 3 for only 100 pesos or even buy 5 for only 100 pesos. Now let's go to their tables and cottages. Kung wala din naman kayong sariling tables and chairs, walang problema guys kasi marami kayong marerentahan dyan. Katulad ng ganyan table guys, it's only 150 pesos. At marami kayong pagpipiliang pwesto. Ngayon guys, kung marami kayo at meron naman kayong enough budget, siguro guys mas magandang ito na lang ang rentahan ninyo, ang kanilang pavilion, which is really very good for a big number of people. Yan namang mga cottages na yan guys, lahat yan ay 250 pesos, which is very good for a small family. Isa sa mga attractions nila dito guys ay ang hagdan na napababa na sobrang tarik talaga. At may part naman dyan guys na pataas, na sobrang taas naman. This is one of the reasons guys why I told you to wear comfortable footwear para ma-enjoy nyo ang pamamasyal niyo dito sa Picnic Grove. Now, it's time for us to go up. A piece of advice lang guys ha, kung talagang desidido kayo na umakyat dyan, siguraduhin nyo na buo talaga ang loob ninyo guys kasi it's really tiring at nakakahapo talaga siya. O ayan, sobrang taas guys, 'di ba? Pero alam nyo, kahit nakakapagod umakyat dyan, sobrang presko talaga ng hangin. At habang naglalakad kayo, masasabi nyong, "Thank you Lord for your beautiful creations." Mapapahay! Salamat ka na lang talaga pag narating mo ang tuktok. Another attraction dito guys ay yung pwede kayong magpa-picture at sumakay sa kabayo. Hindi nyo na kailangang umakyat ng Baguio City para lang makatikim ng strawberry taho. Meron na rin sila dito guys at sobrang sarap. Ngayon guys, kung tapos na kayong mamasyal at gawin yung mga activities na meron dyan sa Picnic Grove, then it's time for you to relax at makipagtsikahan naman kayo sa inyong pamilya at mga friends. And by the way guys ha, foods and drinks are allowed inside. Insert ko lang guys ha, meron palang zipline dyan as part of their attraction. So that's it guys, it's time to go home. Pero medyo challenging pa rin talaga ang pag-akyat going to the parking area. But for our overall experience, masasabi kong we really had so much fun here in Picnic Grove. So, thank you so much guys for watching this video and see you again on the next one. Subscribe!